Day 17 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we back again. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another LeetCode problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to run them subscriptions up. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscriptions first, and then we're gonna go from there. So I need you guys' help to run those subscriptions up and the engagement up. So go ahead, drop that bank emoji in the comments for me if you don't mind, please and thank you. So let's get to the question. It says, so first we have question number 1071, greatest common divisor of strings. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know what that means. We're going to keep it simple and easy for the answer. We're not going to make it harder than it has to be. So first, let's see what the question says. It says for two strings S and T, we say T divides S if and only if S equals T plus T plus T plus T, i.e. T is concatenated with itself one or more times. Given two strings str1 and str2, return the largest string x such that x divides both str1 and str2. Now, if you don't understand what that means, let's look at the example so we can get a better idea of what they want us to do. So when we look at example 1, it says input str1 equals abc, abc, str2 equals abc. The output is abc. That is because you can divide it into two separate parts and still have ABC. You have ABC, ABC, and then the string is ABC. So ABC you can go into STR1 can go into STR2 can go into STR1. You see what I'm saying? Two times, really. STR2 can go into STR1 two times. But it's not always going to be like that. So let's look at example 2. In example 2, it says input STR1 equals AB, AB, AB. STR2 equals AB, AB. Output AB. That is because when you divide it, you see AB could go into STR1 or STR2. If you divide it, you could divide both of them and you'll still get AB. Let's look at examples. Example 3 says str1 equals leet, str2 equals code. The output is a blank string because you cannot divide the two. They do not go together. They have none of the characters in the string are the same or in the same order. They're not even close, so we're not even going to waste our time with it. We're just going to return a blank string. So as I get into the problem, you will understand a little better. So first, let's start with this to help you guys understand. First, we're going to say guard. Then we're going to say str1 plus str2 is going to be equal to str2 plus str1. And then we're going to say else return a blank string. So I want to break this down to you guys real quick so you could understand it a little better. You see in example 1, you have ABC, ABC, and str2 is ABC. So if you add them together, that's what the word concatenate means. When you put them together, ABC, you could put this at the beginning of 8. You could do str1 plus str2, and it will be ABC, ABC, ABC. Or you could do str2 plus str1, and it will still be ABC, ABC, ABC. It will still stay the same. Let's look at example 2. It goes AB, 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 string str2, AB, AB. If you put them together, if you do str1 and concatenate that with str2, it will still be AB, 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 AB. And if you do it the other way around, str2 plus str1, it'll still be AB, 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 AB. So that lets us know that it can be divided into ABs. And string example 1 can be divided into ABCs. Now, if you look at example 3, it says str1 is leet, str2 is code. So if you do str1 plus str2, you have LeetCode. But if you do str2 plus str1, you'll have code leet, which is not the same. It's two different strings. LeetCode and code leet are two different strings, two different orders. So we return a blank string because they cannot be divided. Now, I hope that made sense to you guys. Let's write out a little bit more code to help you guys go through it and help you understand. First thing we're going to do is we're going to need to write a helper function, and we're going to call this GCDD, and that is going to have the parameters of, we're going to say, first we're going to have x, and that's going to be an integer. Then we're going to have y, and that's going to be an integer as well. And this is going to return another integer. Then we're going to come down here and we'll say if y is equal to 0, return x. Else, come down here, we'll say return, we'll say return GCD string, str1, comma, str2, right? And then we're going to come up here and we're going to say let GCD equal GCD, right? And then we're going to say str1.count, comma, str2.count. Excuse me, nah. We're going to start over down here. We're going to say y, comma, x, mod, y. Sorry about that. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return a string because we have to convert it back into a string. Now remember, we'll say str1 dot prefix GCD. Now let's see what that does for us, guys. And let's accept it. Let's run it and see what we get. And there it is, guys. We beat 65.80% of users at Swift, 7 milliseconds. Not bad for day 17. I will see you guys tomorrow.